bright angle looks absolutely perfect for my social media story today. Move aside because you are blocking the beautiful funeral flowers right now. People online will love these beautiful pictures from this event today. I should enter quietly so I do not disturb anyone here. Emma, why are you wearing a bright red dress at a funeral? I do not care about boring funeral colors because red makes me pretty. I am so very sorry for your great family loss today, ma'am. I miss my dear grandfather so much, my heart hurts badly. It is okay to feel sad, because he will stay in memories.
Emma, please stop chewing your pink gum so loudly right now.
Relax, you people are way too dramatic, and I am bored here. I should silence my phone so I do not interrupt this ceremony. Ma'am, please take my comfortable seat and sit down safely here.
That is very kind and respectful of you, my dear child.
This boring prayer is taking forever. I want to leave already.
Please keep your voice low because this is a serious moment.
We should always use calm and respectful voices inside this chapel. Thank you for speaking so gently during this sad time, Lucy. Can someone make this speech faster because I need to eat now? These sweet desserts are divine and taste actually very good.
The food is for the guests after the main ceremony finishes.
I am taking extra desserts too, and no one will stop me. Let me help arrange these heavy memorial flowers on the stage. Helping others quietly shows a lot of true respect, young lady. Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. People here are acting super emotional. There were no empty chairs here, so this spot is good. Put that phone away and get off the coffin right now! Mind your own business, because I am busy with my video vlog. It is not a big deal. You people complain about everything here. I will wait patiently for my turn to say final goodbye. Move aside because I need to record a quick dance video here. Please step aside. We want to look at our loved one. This funeral is so depressing, so let me vibe a little bit. Please remove your earphones here, because music can disturb the silence.
Oh, I forgot about the quiet rule. I am very sorry.
This song is actually good, and life is for enjoying, everyone.
Everyone is watching your behavior, so have some basic respect now.
Hey, you look kind of cute. Are you single today, boy?
No, please stop talking to me. This is a solemn funeral.
So, lighten up and let us make this event a big celebration.
May you find true peace and strength during this hard time.
Your simple words give me a lot of comfort right now.
These flowers look expensive, so I will take a few for myself.
No one will notice anyway, because they are just sitting there. Please leave the flowers, because they belong to the grieving family.
Why are you crying so much? It is not that serious. He was my grandfather, and I loved him very much.
People die every day, so you should calm down right now.
Emma, you have crossed every single limit of respect today. You will not ruin this important day anymore, so get out.
I do not care, because you people are way too sensitive anyway. Whatever, I am leaving this boring and dramatic place right now.
They overreacted so much to a totally normal and fine day. Let me clean the floor so the room stays very calm. I will arrange these flowers carefully for the grandfather's memory.
Good manners bring a lot of kindness to sad people, Lucy.
Now the chapel is silent, and we can pray in peace.
Respect means staying fully present here during the final goodbye.
You are a very responsible and polite young woman, child.
We should not rush in this long line for food today. Taking only what we need is a sign of good manners. Please take only what you can finish, because waste is bad.
Oh, I didn't realize that. I will be careful now.
Your presence here today means a whole lot to us, Lucy.
Silence and kindness are the greatest respect we can offer him. My phone battery is dead, and this day is totally stupid. Nobody is liking my online stories because I am alone now. The atmosphere feels very calm and very supportive now, Lucy.
Understanding the emotional situation is part of good manners, sir. Honoring the final goodbye properly helps heal our broken hearts. Helping quietly is also a very important form of respect.
I want to be helpful and polite, just like you, Lucy.
The ceremony is finished, and we can say goodbye peacefully.
Thank you for bringing peace to our family today, child.
I will always remember this solemn moment with deep respect. My feet hurt in these fancy red shoes, and I am freezing. Why are those sad people still smiling at you, Lucy? Because good manners stay with us even after we leave places. Everyone at that event hated me because of my phone vlog. A funeral is a place where people need comfort and support. I just wanted people online to notice my beautiful face today. True beauty comes from thinking of other people's feelings first, Emma. I think I understand now why my dress was wrong. I want to do something to make things right today.
Hello, ma'am. I am very sorry for my bad behavior yesterday.
It takes a lot of real courage to say sorry, Emma.
I brought these snacks for your family to enjoy today, ma'am.
Thank you. This is a very thoughtful and polite gift. Can I help you clean the dry leaves from the lawn?
Yes, let us make the grandfather's garden.
Look beautiful together. Working quietly is a good way to show true respect. You look like a very kind and respectful helper today, Emma. I put my mobile phone inside my pocket today, Lucy.
Our family yard feels very peaceful and very warm today.
Good manners can change a whole bad day into something sweet.
I am happy that I can bring comfort to this family.
Kind actions always matter, especially during the sad times of life. You girls have very beautiful and loving hearts. Thank you. I thought a funeral was about being noticed, but it is about sharing love and respect.